I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Your phone model and Android version determine which Google Camera (Gcam) build will work. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging. Make sure installs from unknown sources are allowed. You should back up photos and a quick system image if possible, because this process can affect camera settings. Then download the Gcam APK that matches your chipset and an XML config tuned for your model. Now proceed to installing. I'll walk you through the installation steps next. You install the APK. Either open it in a file manager or use ADB install for reliability. Accept permission prompts and grant camera, microphone, and storage access. Once installed, create the config 7 folder and drop the XML file there. Open Gcam, double-tap the black space by the shutter, select the config, and tap Restore. After loading, fine-tune settings. Enable HDR+ night sight profiles, tweak AE/AF lock behavior, and check pixel size or resolution options. You now test every mode: photo, video, portrait, and night, taking sample shots at varying light levels to confirm stability and image behavior. If the app crashes or misbehaves, clear app data, uninstall, and reinstall the matching APK. Try a different XML or Gcam variant tuned for your chipset. If the camera fails to start, verify SE Linux status, any Magisk modules that affect camera libraries, or revert to the stock camera to isolate the issue. Finally, document working settings so you can restore them if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.